Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to on your Android tablet or of course any Android based tablet. So as long as it's Android based, this should work. I'm going to show you to install APK files. All right, so this is a generic Android tablet. And of course, first things, this video assumes that you have your APK files already. So if you don't have APK files, there is a website that's called, and I'm not associated with this website, so you'll have to find these on your own. It's called apkpure.com. So you can actually search for it, apkpure.com. They do offer APK files. All right. So you're gonna download your APK file. You're then gonna add it to your flash drive. Now this is a special flash drive. It is USB and it doubles as USB type C. If you have a regular flash drive that's not like mine that can do both, you'll need a adapter. Give me a second here guys. And this adapter will take a USB and convert it to USB-C. Now seeing that my flash drive already does that, I don't need that dongle. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and you're going to go ahead and you're going to insert your flash drive. So give me a second here as I insert my flash drive. All right, so I've inserted the flash drive. Now, of course, it can be found in the notification area. I have several stuff in here. Let me clear these out. All right. So it says here USB drive. So it's detected. In the meanwhile, you have two options. You can go ahead and install the APK file, but we're going to show you how to allow unknown sources. So go to settings. It might be different on your tablet. So go to apps. You're going to go to special access. On some devices, there's three lines here. On the apps, you'll have to tap those three lines and then find special access, or you can search for special access. Special access, and on the special access, you're going to say install unknown apps. You can also use search in the main settings menu to search for install unknown apps. You'll find it. There you go. Now, the trick here is to find from where the file will be installed. So if I was installed from email, I'd have to allow it through emails. Most likely the file explorer, which is this one, is going to be the one. So tap here and you're going to allow unknown sources. All right. I don't have to do it because later on it will ask me from the install screen. So this is one way. If I don't want it to ask me, I can turn this on from here and it will not ask about unknown sources. All right. Let me show you. So there. So that's one option in case it blocks the install of the APK. Right here, it says USB drive. We're going to go ahead and tap. Right away, you can see the file explorer here. It says open files with, and it says, I'm going to say just once, because this file explorer is this particular one. Yours might be a different file explorer and it might be different. Simply open up the drive. Next, you're going to go to APK files, tap, and of course, there you go. All my APK files are here. You can see the little Android guy to show that my APK files are all here. All right, so I'm gonna install an app here. I have a number of apps. You can see their names. I have TikTok, you name it, YouTube, whatever. All right, this one is called Obtainium. I'm gonna install it as an example. I'm gonna tap. It says unknown. This is what I was speaking of. Notice it says for your security. Your tablet currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps. So if I had from earlier activated that, it would have simply allowed it. But you can do it two ways. You can hit setting from here. And of course here it says unknown files. This is basically the same place from earlier. I'm going to allow. It says, do you want to install? I'm going to hit install. So tap install, and there you go. The app is now installing. It says app install. Do you want to open or done? Now I'm gonna hit done because I want to show you the file itself, and there you go. So the file is now here, and this file should work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch. Well, I don't even need to launch. I don't want to show too much. I just want to show this app that I've installed. So that's the app. It's called Obtainium. And of course, it's now installed, and you can go ahead and tap and install. It doesn't really matter the app, whatever it is you want to install. So now is it installed? And of course, it's easy to get rid of the drive. So let's say I'm finished. I can tap here and I can say eject. And once I eject, there you go. And of course, I can now remove the drive, and that's it. The process is now complete. I now have the app and it's installed, whatever is your app that you want to install. All right, guys, hope that was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.